gents, it's for our pre-owned preview, and today it's a 2018 Volkswagen Passat SE. Now this was powered by the 2.0 inline 4-cylinder, matched up with a 6-speed automatic transmission and only 28,000 miles on the. That is super low, by the way. Come with me, we're going to take a closer look. We're going to start right up here because you got the 18-inch wheels on here. But if you can see, you got new tires on there, looking really good there. Now let's go right inside here. Check out those leather seats. Those are heated leather seats right there, and we'll swing around to the dash. Check out the touchscreen radio right there, and you got the navigation in there too. Okay, now before we get to the back seat, why don't you come up here, Ryan? Come here, and see if you can't get a shot of that. Because you got the sunroof on there. We're coming up to the sunroof season. Get your hair all blowing in the wind. You know how it is. Look at the back seat here. It's a back seat. You can put people in there. Looks like you can fit about 3 of them. But you do have the all-weather mats on the bottom there. And then one more thing to point out before we get to the trunk is you do have the split folding rear seats. Those will pass through the trunk. We'll make our way back here to there. And check it out. You got the pass-through right there with the split folding in case you have some extra, I don't know, you got some cargo. You got a surfboard. I get that doesn't work, does it? That doesn't work. And then check it out. There's all kinds of goodies in here. You got roadside kit. You got first aid kit. I don't think any of that stuff has been opened or used. That's a good-looking car, guys, with super low miles. If you want to talk about some good fuel economy, you got some good fuel economy right here, because that's what Volkswagen is known for. So if you want to get this thing in your driveway, all you got to do, come on out here to 1711 Halligan Drive and see any of one of our Yahoo salesmen in here. They'll be happy to help you out. And you can schedule your test drive in advance by messaging us right down here on Facebook. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. If either of those options aren't going to work for you, just give us a call at 308-532-4100. And we'll get you set up that way. Give it one more look. Look at that. Look at that. That's a pretty looking blue, isn't it? All right, guys. We'll see you soon. Thank you.